Aashwasan, according to me, is an institution of lovely people, beautiful people, caring people. These people care for you. They want you to get better. They love you and they support you no matter where you come from and what your situation is. I was lucky enough, fortunate enough to be associated with Aashwasan. They helped me a lot in my troubled times, and I will be forever indebted to Aashwasan for that. I did meet Rashmi also briefly, very briefly actually, but in that brief moment, the impact that her persona left on me was amazing. She is a terrific personality. Aashwasan is doing good work, and I wish that they continue doing so and keep helping people. I wish all the best to every person out there in Aashwasan, and I want to thank them from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Aashwasan.